Anom nime na China we meet a guy in a law clicker, a Nigerian big boy in a law clicker. Where's my guy? KNMN or Western Akuya to Wotelieba. Guy, what is the business? This guy will go some business. When he came back, Mbina Nigeria, this guy drive Onyaba, Oshiaba, Webian at my house. Alabam. Omwako Jeliebo Jegan and one of the estates in Nabai. Transit. Every man must be on transit. I told you people the purpose for this page is for you to change. It's for you to give yourself a time. It's for you to grab a knowledge and tell yourself, I cannot be in this forever. Yes. Who are we trying to please? Please. Or the club or the social club, called the meeting anemia, called the occasion saga, called champagne agapo. Malamalin every alcohol can damage your system. Most of you people, Malamalin every champagne, every hot drink, every whiskey, everything in a take in a wenalo is a damage to your system. You believe you need a Liego. You believe you need a Liego manine buonwegi. Self-inflicted. The most dangerous woman they are ego. Only jaka giwe te when you any alcohol in it in your system, not your liver. If you open a passport, they make you mulanya all night. You may open na la lola ki question la lola in a damage your kidney. I know we a lot of things now. Ego, what the way? Can way she ego? But go to me way she ego mark ego. My people, eligame go. So many of you people are man liega, lienye, imikicheni lige eligome go to the extreme. I'm a on social media, yes. JJS. Eligome go to the extreme. To the point that I went to skyscrapers, Nenu 30-story building, and I begin to shed tears. Mbele chukwakwa. Anapogi uchegi, illusion your consciousness, illusion your conscience. You will never realize that we are on a transit. You shut the door to the transit. I don't want you to regret it. No person will bring their pain to social media. No person will show you the people that have failed. No person will show you that are people that are in present predicament. Also, there are people, millions of people that are locked in now. They are down. There are people, lots of people that are not even here, that are better than me and you, smarter than me and you, that are locked in now. Hanonime now. Sentence now along the yellow blue, for the yellow orange. One name. The only hustle in now to show off, to do anything for yourself. But one day when then I hustle, I want to hagis and email from morning to night, from cell to cell. EJ na cho, asigi na wolo adro, apabatala wolo na the whole prison yard. Asigi no mo onye nwela wolo, no be cell. One ikuzi ndi clean ogwo, ikuzi ofonyo, inwe ike nye onye clean ego, wole ego ginalie, or na another cell, yala bia for the next month. If you na hustle angulo biazieli gi wolo fusi gatu juonye na obukwalu no, but I don't believe in Asia those things in exist. Me and you, we are hustling to flex, we are hustling for another thing. Many guys are hustling to get a SIM card in email right now. How we make call.